पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की
Good morning on and all present over here. Well, as you are already aware, one student had discussed about biotechnology, the current and today's morning assembly topic. Well, as it was already told by the student that biotechnology, it's a use of technology in the field of biology. So current generation, we all are already surrounded by the use of technology, especially the biotechnology. Whenever you go into the market or vegetable vendor, you generally seems to find that the things or the vegetables, the fruits that or the flowers that you like is available throughout the year, 24 by 7, 365, even if the season of that particular flower or fruit is not there. Have you ever thought how is that possible that even if the season is not there, then too that particular flower or vegetable or fruit is available in the market? That is because of biotechnology. Biotechnology is already surrounded throughout the year or throughout whole era, and although in our country there are not so much of fund given to this type of development, but with the increase in the population and to satisfy the need of the people, biotechnology has helped a lot in order to fulfill the requirement of the people. We have already seen the population explosion, and to the need to provide the grains and food to everyone. Biotechnology help us to provide better grains and flowers, fruits and other basic requirements. It's not about agriculture, also in the field of medical, the incurable diseases which were not earlier possible for the doctors to cure it, now the medicines are available at the cheaper cost, and day to day experiments are going on in the field of biotechnology to make the medicines available for each and everyone at the cheaper level, at cheaper cost and throughout the country. Well,